Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the chapter number 4, inserting objects in Word, class 5, subject computer, day 2. Today I want to discuss about the inserting pictures in a document. In the previous video, it was discussed by me about the inserting shapes that comes in the 8 categories: the lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flow chart, stars and banners, callouts, etc. Today I want to discuss about the inserting pictures in a document. When it is needed that we want to insert a picture, a particular picture in our document, so we can do the following steps. We can insert our pictures in a document. So simply we click on the insert tab, then go to picture in illustration group. The insert picture dialog box appears, in which we select the picture which is needed in our document, then click on the insert button. A picture will be inserted in our document. If we want to insert a clip art image in our document, that is a collection of pictures or images that will be imported in a document. Go to insert tab and click on the clip art button. The clip art pane opens. In the search box, we type the first letter of that image and click to go button. A gallery of clip art images is displayed on the screen. Then select the image which you want to insert. A menu appears. Then click on the insert option. Word insert inserts the selected clip art in the slide. After that, we can edit a picture and rotate the picture, crop a picture in our document. After inserting a picture, we can edit it. It means we can rotate, resize and crop it. For the resizing of a picture, first we select picture. A white box around the picture appears. That is called the resize handles. The resize handles are used to resize the picture. After that, move the mouse pointer over any of the resize handle. The mouse pointer changes its shape from the left down arrow key or the double arrow key. Then we click on the resize handle and drag the mouse carefully to resize the picture to the required size. If we want to rotate the picture, first we select the picture, then we see a circle with an arrow on the top of the picture. The circle is called the rotate handle, or that handle is used to rotate the picture. Now move the mouse pointer over the rotate handle. The rotate handle it changes its shape from arrow key to a curved arrow. Now click on the rotate handle and drag the mouse to rotate the picture. After that, if you want to crop the picture, cropping means to remove an unwanted portion of an image. So simply double click on the image to open the Format tab. Click on the crop in size group. We see crop handles on the edge of the image. Now drag these crop handles inward to crop and press enter key to complete the cropping process. That's all for today.